All right, so I wanted to show you guys the new Just Stock G3 from Hobbywing. This is my first time having this one. I've had bad luck with ESCs in the past, except coming to Hobbywing, and I got really frustrated getting into a hobby and just had issues with electronics. So I've went to Hobbywing and haven't looked back and haven't had any issues with any of their equipment. And I've had it in probably 7-8 cars, 2-wheel drive buggy, 4-wheel drive buggy, stadium truck, and we have it in our 4-wheel drive short course truck too. So what I thought was pretty neat is there's no external capacitor. It's all inside there. And this is $109 on a main for both of them, which is great. I've got the higher end electronics in the in like my 2- and 4-wheel buggy, right? Because those are like the common classes to run. And then I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna spend that money on the truck. It's like it's just a 3rd class. I'm probably not gonna run a 3rd class all the time. It's more or less just a fun class for me to run. I enjoy running stadium trucks, so thought I'd go with just some more value-based equipment. And I like how it says, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that picked up for you guys, but it says right here 13.5. It says it here as well. This actually looks better than I envisioned. Fixed timing. Let's see they give you, what else they give you before I move on to the next one. And then they give you a couple motor wires. I really wish they would convert to the flat ones like the Reedies, because that's what probably 90% of people run. But it is nice nonetheless to have that. Let's check. Out. All right, XR10 Just Stock G3, 60 amp. Let's see, anything else in here? Just some stickers, yeah. And you got your manual. Cool. Yeah, it's pretty neat. No external capacitor. It is a little bit bigger than I thought it would be, but I also have the really tiny stock spec ESC. So I'm guessing I can plug in to get my programming done there. It is, the top is aluminum, and then you're like from here down, like the half of the bottom is plastic. Yeah, that's plastic. But the whole top portion's aluminum. And so they, you know, usually your motor wire goes, it's plugged in like kind of like right in the center, but it's the first time seeing it down on the left like that. And they give you 14 gauge wire. I don't know why they didn't just make these wires black like their other, you know, more expensive ESCs. That would have been nice. But for $60, you can't beat, really can't beat this thing. Yeah, looks pretty good. I think it'll work well in the stadium truck.